Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to show you how to change the pictures to become a grow up animation. And if you would like to know how to create it, so without any further ado and let's get into it. So the first step you can do, you can open your smartphone and install this Pixverse from the Play Store. And if you are the user of the iPhone or iOS, then you can install it first from the App Store. And as you install this Pixverse, then you can open it. And after that, as the new user, don't forget to do the login or sign up first into your Google Mail or your email. Then this application will earn you this 60 credits every day. So these are the lists if you would like to, let's say, purchase their credits more. There are yearly and monthly over here. And if you don't want to do the purchase, then you can still choose this basic package. And if you run out the credit daily, then don't worry because these credits will be renewed every single day. As you can see, it will be renewed at UTC 0 and it depends on the time zone that you are living in. So let's go back to the menu. As you can see here, this is the template that we would like to choose to create the grow up animation. And I will click this searching section and type grow up, or you can type one keyword. As you can see, this is the effect that we would like to use. Then you can choose this template and it will direct you into the gallery, so you can select the picture. As you can see, the picture number 1 is showing about your childhood photo, and the second picture that represent your adult picture or when you grow up. Then you can click finish, and as you can see here, this effect will need 20 credits, and since we have 60 credits, so it will be enough to do the generation. So we can click create, and after that it will take you a while to let this application do the generation. And you can also go to the home page to see another people or another user that use or have the creation over here. And so they have also create, and you can actually use this template. And since we receive the information that our video is all ready to use, then we can go to the notification and let's see the result. So that's all guys, isn't it interesting? Then you can start to share this video into your favorite social media or just simply download it into your gallery. So that's all guys, don't forget to try this tip and trick, and you can inform us if this tip and trick also work for you guys. And also don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe this channel to watch more another tutorial video. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.